The 2003 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, power door locks, CD player, security package, daytime running lamps, moonroof, leather, rear AC, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, dual power seats. Come take a test drive today.